Hi, this is Heather Shouse with the Pampered Chef. I'm here to show you our new Quicksicle maker. We're going to make cookies and cream popsicles. So the first thing we're going to start with is 3/4 cup of half and half. Make sure you scrape it all out of your measuring cup. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. And then we're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I just pre-measured it to make it easy for everybody. Then we're going to whisk to make sure we get the vanilla and the honey incorporated into the half and half. And then we're going to add about 1/3 cup of chopped Oreos. I just used our food chopper and I chopped that up ahead of time. So 1/3 cup is about 3 Oreos. Now there's one of 2 ways you can do it. We have the little measuring cup, so if you're going to be doing different flavors, because you can do orange juice and strawberries, you can do Nutella, there's all different kinds of recipes that I'll be sharing with you later. Or we can just pour it straight out of our batter bowl. Now you freeze the base for 24 hours before you make the Quicksicles. And then I notice with the Oreos, I just kind of will spoon them a little bit on the top to make sure we get them all in there, because your kids are going to want that yumminess in their popsicle. And then these will sit for about 8 minutes before they harden. We have to put our top in, or our sticks. We're just going to push those down in there, and you can actually make 9 of these before you have to refreeze it. So after about 8 minutes, letting them set up, we're going to go ahead and pull them out. You have to use this little key on the top, turn it all the way down. And then back it off just a little bit, and then you can pull it right out. And then you have your cookies and cream popsicle.